Exposing the battle over Railton Sports Club. Who's really to blame for the illegal structures? On July 24, 2024, the National Railways of Zimbabwe fired back at Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume for his comments to Parliament's Public Accounts Committee. Mayor Mafume pointed fingers at NRZ, accusing them of allowing illegal structures at Railton Sports Club. But NRZ isn't taking it lying down. They clarified that these structures stemmed from fraudulent activities and emphasised their ongoing efforts to evict illegal occupants. This dispute sheds light on the broader conflicts over land ownership in post-colonial Zimbabwe, where historical claims often clash with modern-day needs. As both parties dig in their heels, the outcome of this controversy could set a major precedent for similar disputes across the country. Stay tuned as we unravel this complex tale of ownership, responsibility and community interests.